Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Raja. So in the last video, we covered, like a scenario with the help of this, dense rank. But in this video, within the, same scenario, so whatever we have covered in the last video, same thing, same scenario. How do we resolve with the help of this, LOD functions? And so let me open this Tableau, and then again I'll explain this like a scenario um, later. So we can explore on this LOD functions, and then I can showcase you how to resolve with the help of like a LOD functions. And the scenario is like here, get the maximum sales value of like a product from each order date. And here we have like a data 8 product level information. And so what is the product, when customer was purchased, and when it was like ordered. So we have that kind of like information. Okay, from this like information, and what user like expecting, he want the max value of maximum value of like a product from each order date. And the output should come like this. So for example, if that customer or on if the customer or on purchase this like a product on 0 to 18 2019. Okay, at the time there he was purchased only one product, and later next purchase was like a 0307 2019. So when he was purchased, at the time he purchased like a three products. The max value of the product is 243. The expected output, so customer name should come along with this order date. The max product should come here only. Now let's go back to this next go back to this worksheet. And so let me explain this is the LOD, like what kind of keyword we are using here to get this like output here. So let's create this LOD calculation here. Max sales by order date. So here I'm going to use this like a function, keyword like called fixed. So I think generally we already aware of this like a fixed. So wherever if you use this keyword, a fixed keyword, if you define any field based on that particular field, it can be fixed that particular value here. So right now what I'm going to do is, right, so I'm going to use this keyword fixed, and let me assign this in field customer name, as well as let me use this, let me bring this like order date. And here I'm using this metric, sales like a metric. So in the sales metric, and generally so what we are trying to bring this right, so I'm trying to bring this like max value of this like each product. Okay, so that is the only reason. What I'm going to do is, right, let me use this like a max function, and then let's use this sales, and then close this curly bracket here. Now, so from this calculation, what we are bringing here. So I'm going to fix this customer name as well as order date, and then I'm trying to bring this value. So wherever like a maximum value based out of this like a order date here. So from this order date there is a max value 243. So I just want to bring this 243. If I go to the next order date, I'm going to bring this 342. Okay, so that is the reason I have used this so max sales. And next, so let me drag this like a calculation, and then we'll see what are the results we'll get here. Okay, let me bring this field into this like a rows. Let me convert this into discrete. Now you can see here, so I'm getting this 12.63. If I round this, I can get 13. So if I get this if I round this value, I can get this 243. So from this three products, there is a max product value 242. That is the reason it is taking 242 is the maximum sale value across all the across this particular order date. We'll do one thing. So within the same calculation, what I'll do, right, so Let me convert that calculation into true or false condition. Okay, so how do we convert this? So yeah, max of sales, right? Yeah, this is the calculation we have. So let me convert this calculation into true or false. So use this equal, and then so write this sum of sales. So here what I'm trying to do is, right, so I'm trying to you know checking with this a value, the max value, whether with respect to this like a sales value, whether it is matching, then we'll get this like a true. If it is not, we'll get this false only. Now the max, why it is getting this error? Okay, just 1 minute. I think here, let me use this. So LOD should be always aggregated, right? So that is the reason we are getting this error. Let me, yeah. Now this is valid calculation here. So if I apply this like a calculation, what will happen, right? We are converted this calculation into true or false. So I think let me remove this and let's bring this into this rows here. Now you can see here. So this is the like a maximum value. That is the reason we are getting this like a true. Even if I go to the some other order date and I can see there is a max product value 342. That is the reason we are getting this like a true. Same thing, you can simply drag this into these filters, and please make sure that you should always select true and then click on OK. So let me explain one more time. So what calculation I have written here. So I used fixed like a calculations to uh, we are fixing this specific field level. So we are bringing this customer name as well as order date. Based on these fields, so I'm trying to get this like a maximum sales value based on this out of these like a fields only. And so and then later on that what we have done, right? So after we got some result, maximum value each maximum value of the like a product based on this order date, and then I'm just simply converted that calculation into true or false, whether the value is like a matching with our sales value or not. And then I used like a same calculation into this like a filters here. So I hope you guys are enjoyed this like a video. In case if you are not followed like a previous video, please go back to please go back to that like a previous video and watch that video, then only you guys can understand this scenario. And thanks for watching. Jai Hind.